Okay, this is room 2224 at the Kananaskis Mountain Lodge, which is a Marriott autograph property, Bonvoy autograph. So you walk in and there's a bathroom right here, which is like, I love the finishings and stuff. And this mirror is super cool. You have to excuse me, I've been traveling all day. But you can choose these, it's pretty cool. It changes the lighting of the mirror. So that is a really awesome thing to have. And then also, I love all these gold finishes, they're so pretty. There's a beautiful tub, really awesome tile work there. And then there's also this shower, which is incredible. And it's really nice that you have the option to do the shower or the tub. So they're right there together. And then nice big vanity with all the amenities you might need. There's a hair dryer down there. I always love that. Then you come out into the main room. There's my daughter's there. And there's this nice big mirror. There's this awesome workspace and big screen TV. So I try to stay out of these videos normally, and you're getting a lot of me tonight, but there's that. We've got a really nice coffee bar over here. I always love the Nespresso machines. They're so easy to use. And then down here you have a mini fridge, which is always really helpful. I feel like a lot of people have like medications that need to be refrigerated, or maybe you're traveling with a baby or something. It's always a good thing to have. And then there's this pretty generously sized closet as well, and robes, safe, iron, luggage rack, ironing board, pretty deep closet, so that's really helpful. And then this is a 2-queen room, and I just sat down on the bed already, as you can tell, and it's super comfy. So I'm excited about sleeping in those tonight. Got the little reading light, which is great for each bed there. Really pretty lamp. And then I cannot wait. I'll have to do another addendum to this tour and add the view from here on tomorrow, because it's amazing. And obviously it's nighttime, so you can't see. But look at this huge window, picture window. Is gonna be so great. There's mountains and all kinds of gorgeous stuff out there. So we'll do an addendum to the video tomorrow with the view, but that's really incredible. So yeah, a double queen room from the Kananaskis Mountain Lodge. My daughter's waving bye. Thanks for checking this out with us. So here is the view out the window. You can see the mountains in the distance, way up there somewhere. And then more mountain up there. It's a little hard to see right now through the trees, but so that is the outside view.